Are we live? Are we live, guys? Just give me a moment. Yo, guys, what is up? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let me just lift up my laptop and do this. And there you go, guys. We are back again. How are you guys doing? Too much, right? Yeah, yeah, perfect. And let me just bring this here just for the sake of the video, the live. Yeah, there you go. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and I hope you all are doing well. And let me just see if everything is turned on. All right, everything is turned on, and we are looking forward to trading today. Let's go. Raise. Chalo. So yesterday, beautifully worked out, beautifully, just as I said, guys. If I show it to you guys, there you go. Yesterday, this is what I had given in the chat. This was it. I told you guys I won't be shorting the market over here. I wanted to create a swing and then go low. I made this on live. If you guys remember, I made this on live. Yep, I gave this thing on live, guys, that I will be trading this. Obviously, I did not place a trade because it would have been over trading, but this worked beautifully well. So that's it. And looking forward to working out today. My currently yesterday I showed you my position on AUD, GBP, JPY, and that is live, guys. I mean, both the entries have been taken. I'm just very worried, and my net is very slow today, yaar. Yeah, my net is being very slow today. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe the quality of the stream won't be the top notch today, I guess. Yep. And not a good. I mean, bro. Yep. My network is not working. There you go, guys. We are currently running in this trade. We are in this trade and running. So our entry was here. We were very close to being stopped out, but we were unfortunately not stopped out. Fortunately, not stopped out. And if I just show it to you over here in my terminal, there you go. We are running at around $32 in profit. That is clearly 1 is to 1. We're at 1 is to 1 at the moment. We were very close. See how close we were, like 0.03% close to being stopped out. But now the trade is running back again and we're up. All right. And if I just close this shit now, okay. Looking forward to trading only Euro USD today. And we will also look at USD CHF. If I'll just open another one. Yep. I'll just open USD CHF over here because I just made a strategy for USD Chef. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Let me just mark down the previous 3 days of previous day worth. So there you go. Previous day low is marked out, and these are the previous day highs. Right, high has been taken out, so probably it's a good time to go short, guys. I think we may go short over here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'll be going short. Liquidity has been taken. Buy side liquidity has been taken out. All this is just trendline liquidity, guys. All this is trendline liquidity. If I just show it to you, I don't want to see ITH and A. There you go. This was an intermediate term high, right? Rest, I don't. Yeah, okay. This was an intermediate term high again. Okay, maybe today. All right, silver bullet timings are also up, and let's see, guys. Let me go on to Euro USD for now. So 3 days worth of previous highs and previous day low. I consider all 3 days as my previous days. I don't consider only my previous day as a previous day high or low. I consider 3 days worth of previous days highs and lows. So there you go. These are the 3 days worth of previous day highs and previous day lows. If you want, I can just mark these, but there's no meaning in marking these. Like there's no use in marking these. No, this is a previous day high, and these are previous day lows. I'll just there you go, and there you go. 3 days worth of previous day's highs and previous day lows. Let's go. We have to obviously wait until the London session starts. So session has started, guys, and we are in. I think I may have to place a trade very quickly because the market structure will be shifted right over here. This is the market structure shift, and these are all then liquidity, guys. This is all liquidity. All right, full, completely liquidity. If you look at the 15-minute, previous day lows have been taken out, so we are valid to going long. And right over here, we are getting another entry, guys. We're getting another entry. Shall we enter? Shall we enter, guys? Perfect setup. Perfect setup, guys. And let me just enter very quickly on USD chef. Um, so I'm only looking forward to only 1:2 or something like that. Not much. Let me go down to the 3 minute and look for an entry. Look for an entry, right? So there you go. That's our yep, we are gonna enter over there, and we will be using the 3-5 account. We don't need to hurry, guys. We don't need to hurry on this at all. USD chef. I'll put in two orders right in front of you guys. So M3, right? M3. I'm placing an order. 1 second, guys. Perfect. Let me just look at the 5 minute on this. 5 minute entry has been given, guys. I may just take a market entry. I just need to know. Okay, my orders have been placed, guys. My orders have been placed in. 1 second. I gotta place an order on this too, but yeah, we have time for that. This may be a risky trade, guys. This may be a risky trade. This trade is running perfectly. Don't worry about this trade. I'm worried about this trade actually. Which trade am I worried about? I'm worried about this trade. I took it a little in a hurry. Okay, so this trade could be a loser, could be a winner, guys. Can't say really, to be very honest. It's running in front of you guys. So yeah, you can just see, and let me just fix the scale fix on. There you go. I'm risking about $15 on this, guys. About what? $15 on this. So I hope. 1 second, we just need. Oh, I'm not able to say if this is a. 1 second, guys. This is a market structure shift, right? This is where we want the market structure shift, but the market structure shift has not taken place yet. Let's look at the 15 minute. We'll clear these because these are creating confusions for us at the moment. And let's see if we have equal highs or equal lows, man. I don't think we certainly have a lot of liquidity to even the market to go. If you look at this chart, very honestly, we have some kind of liquidity. Okay, this is completely up. Okay, so if I put a this, I see good liquidity over here, and these lows have been taken out, but this has also created lows. So, 1 second, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So what was I saying is that I was saying there is pretty good liquidity below. Okay, so if we seriously look at this, this previous day low has created equal highs, beautiful equal highs, but it's just risky. Okay, I so want the market to take out these lows and then we will get a certain setup to go higher. And this may be our SL, guys. This may be SL. This may be an SL. I'll just shift down the SL because this was a risky trade, to be very honest. One second, guys. Hello. All right. So yeah, did I modify it? Because this may be an SL, guys. Yeah, market is going very rapidly to the upside, and all the intermediate term highs and term lows were very well respected. So this may be a loss. Okay. Let me just note it down, or I can just note it down later on. It's no worries. I'll just minimize that. I'm more very. I'm looking forward to trading Euro USD for now. That's more of an interesting topic for me at the moment. I want these lows to be taken out. So I've told you everything. Even if we look at the 4 hour, right? My network is very slow, man. What's happening? So okay, we may get a short trade, but the candle closing is too far. Yeah. So this was an IFVG setup actually. This is an what fair inverse fair value gap setup, but in order for the inverse fair value gap setup to work, this candle has to close, but it's still 2 hours left for this candle to close, so it's a long time for this candle to close, and so that's it. Yeah, so a lot of time. One second, why is this moving around? This over here and this over here. That's it, right? This candle has a lot of power to it. Okay, and again, it's respecting intermediate term high and low, guys. So this was a risky trade. You can clearly see this this fair value gap respected. So this may create an inverse fair value gap. Okay, and I forgot again. I forgot. Oh my god. Hmm. No fair value gap. No fair value gap. If there would be a fair value gap, I would have traded, but there's no fair value gap, so it's okay for now. Looking forward to this mostly. Oh, I'm ready to take an SL on this, guys. Again, the strategy is not really working out the way I wanted it to on USD Chef. If we look at it from the 5 minute perspective, I wanted it to create a low, man. Just London session, if it again does the same thing that we wanted it to do yesterday, like this, something like this will be wonderful, man. Wonderful. Very, very high probability trade. But it's just not showing signs that it's gonna do that. And I would have got, I should have, I should enter, not right now, but later on. I have to enter over here on this market structure shift. You're not able to see that obviously because of this. So this idea. Again, this was very well respected ITH. You see no highs were taken out. So this was swing. We could have captured that. Just if we look at the opening and closing prices. Once again, I need a 3 minute fair value gap. Waiting for a 3 minute fair value gap to enter, guys, on BTC. What were we doing again? Yeah, marking out the previous day. Midnight open, right? Midnight open. Let's mark the midnight open. The midnight open is in our favor, guys. So 5 minute midnight open. There you go. Midnight open is in our favor. Previous day highs, lows, everything is in our favor. A very well trade, but it would be a very high probability trade only and only if it does this. This has to be done, guys. This has to be done. If I just show you guys the volume imbalances or anything like that, again this fair value gap is being respected. I don't want to be seeing that. I wanted to break through that fair value gap, and we also have an order block right over here, right? So these are two confluences which may hinder our trade. Okay, so I'll just mark this. And if I just mark out the do we even have equal highs and equal lows to target or something like that? We do have a lot of liquidity sitting right up above here. If I just mark that as buy side liquidity, that's good. And how is my still not getting a fair value gap in BTC, guys? Still not. Yep. Just give me a moment. Uh, I'll just mark out the volume, guys. So how do I check the volume? I check the volume from the order block basically. Okay. So this is the place I don't put it over here. I'll just put it for you guys. So this is okay. This is okay. Okay. But I want my anchored volume. This is my anchored volume profile. I usually put this to the top wherever the actual move is getting started, and I use my this what do you say fixed range volume profile to go from this to this. So basically we have a lot of liquidity sitting up at midnight open, so high probability with volume 2, guys. A high probability setup with volume 2. Volume is in our favor, guys. Volume is in our favor. Let's see. I want it to break the previous day lows. Two previous days lows will be broken, guys. That is a big thing. That is certainly a big thing. And what about my what do you say? GBP JPY trade again. GBP has come down. GBP has come down. 3 p.m. GBP did take a good as reversal, but again it's just coming down again. This was a kind of a good probability. This was the only trade which was very good. The setup was the most beautiful setup. Okay, all the boxes were tick, 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 tick. Okay, it was an uptrend, liquidity was taken, market structure was given perfectly, price beautifully came down to the 70% and then the 73% level or something like that. Beautiful setup, but sometimes it works, sometimes it does not, and we just have to move on. Yeah, so that's what trading is, I think. Let me just log into the again back again. Nope, not working, guys. I didn't want to see so much consolidation over here. If we just look at if we have any news or anything like that, BTC consolidating, no fair value gap given. If you just look at the Forex factory, USD news at 8:30. No news, guys. No news at all. USD chef. We have a news for chef at 4 a.m. 4 a.m. is a long time from now. And that's a yellow folder news, so not really a big thing. Chef. CHF. Swiss franc. Take out these lows, man. Let's go. We need this. Yesterday, the same setup for the buy side. Today, same setup for the sell side. And again, all of you guys know I'm on a very big losing streak at the moment, but all my accounts are at break even. Waiting for this, guys. Let's go. This candle could be like this, and the other candle could be like this. If this is it, we will enter right over here on the fourth candle. We'll enter this with a stop loss. Oh my god! We are having a huge stop loss on this, guys. Huge stop loss. Huge stop loss. Not worth it. Oof. And another second, guys. Just give me a moment and the fuck, I guess it's time, guys. You will be looking at me with another spec. I think I'm gonna get new spectacles for myself. I'll try to get some different types of designs or shapes, but I've never ever tried other types of lens. This is my first time ever. I think it's not even sure that I'll be using that. I actually looked into radiator types. No, radiator, not radiator. Aviator. Aviator specs. I'm not a very big fan of this, but not a very big hater of these. But I just don't like. A lens card gives very thin frames, man. I don't like thin frames. I'll just see, or else I'll just get something very similar to this design, yeah. Because this design actually suits on me, right? To be very honest, I like this design on myself. Oh my god, USD chef, just give me a loss and take me out. Are we getting a fair value gap, guys? Not yet. Let's go. Slowly and steadily, we are going towards it, guys. Let's go, man. Take it out. Take it out. It will. Shall we just close this trade? It's gonna be a loss, anyways, right? This is a good level, guys. No, this was a good level. Now it is not. And it obviously broke. So this candle itself may hit, guys. Hit the SL. This candle itself may hit the SL. Okay. This was a risky setup, and clearly my uh, what do you say, USD chef is not working the way I wanted it to ever work. I didn't want it to work this kind of in this way. I had some different plans. Okay. Okay, I'll just tell you my strategy. All I wanted is like, I mean, this valid, guys. This trade is still very valid for me. Okay, it it marks out all my stuff, and it also took out the Tokyo high. But this London session could just be a continuation of the Tokyo session. That's very possible, and that's the only time we could take a loss. Okay, right now I don't think there is any chance of it to like work like uh, Euro USD and take out this high and then drop. No, it usually does not do that. Even if we go back in time, we will see that there you go. You see, high lows were taken out and then highs to the high, and just like that, Euro chef, right? USD chef. It's a good, it's a good strategy according to me. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Only few pips remaining. 3 to 5 pips remaining, guys. Do you want some songs? Do you want some songs? Or else, no, no need of songs, man. And by the way, I have withdrawn all my funds from Dhan, and I have opened an account in what do you say, Kotak Securities. He, this is his third time he's saying OTM मत ले. नहीं ले रहा यार मैं OTM, मैं सिर्फ ITM लेता हूँ भाई. बच्चे. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 5 more pips to go. ऐसे लेना है तो जल्दी लेना भाई, का ये दिमाग खराब कर रहा है मेरा. मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ. मैं 1:1 वाला ही हूँ यार. I'm not a guy who holds his trades for so long. I'm not able to hold it. Like I feel like whatever I'm having, I lose it. Right? It's just a psychological problem. Okay, to be very honest, that's kind of hard, difficult for me. क्या है server? मेरा एसएल क्यों नहीं ले लेता भाई? शांति से जीऊंगा मैं. Just give me a neither. Okay, we may get a small trade, guys. I'm getting in no matter what happens. 9 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. I don't want. No, don't miss my entry, please. No, no, no. Wait. Nope. And my entry is gone. Just like that. I don't even have it. Where do I even place my SL or where do I even place anything, man? How do you expect me to enter off this smallest fair value gap? It's a perfect trade, by the way, guys. Perfect trade. I want you all. I want you guys to take this, man. This is a very high probability trade. But I just don't get it with my stop loss, right? Shall I just keep it over here? Shall I? Oh my god. How am I so slow? I'm gonna be buying 0.04 worth of quantity. Don't leave me! Don't leave me! I was gonna enter, man. I had my entry. I just had to press buy. भाई रुक जा यार, एक एंट्री दे दे यार. यही हाइज रहेंगे यार मेरे टारगेट्स, बहुत छोटे टारगेट्स है यार. दे दे यार एंट्री. दे दे यार एंट्री. क्यों करता है यार ऐसे? एक दिन प्रॉफिट होने वाला था भाई. वी वर. If this hits my target, it's not FOMO, guys. It's just that opportunity was right in front of me, and I was like double checking things. If this gives me a target without letting me enter, I don't know what am I even gonna do. I think we could get an entry. Okay. Oh my god, give me an entry. To be very honest with you guys, there is no. I mean, there is no fair value gap on my broker, guys. There you go. There is no fair value gap on my broker. You see, there is no fair value gap on this. But it's just that it's there on the TradingView app, right? Oh, okay, go hit the target on what else? This was somewhere this. Yeah, I think this. Where is my entry? Okay. My entry is somewhere down here, guys. I'll just mark a random spot out. Yep, I will be entering right over here. This will be my entry, guys. Price has not yet come to my entry. And I was unable to buy again. I was unable to buy. I mean, I'm in, guys. And if this goes into loss, we're like down bad, guys. To be very honest, if this goes into loss, we're down bad. All right. Now let's see. I'll open this right over here, this right over here, and this right over here. All right. I'll put this. I'll F11, right? F11 and this F11 with a control T, because you have to see the position, right? You see, you see the loss. This will be my 10th loss in the row. This will be my 10th loss in a row, guys, if I just don't exit. Obviously, it's a good setup. Let's see, guys. I'm not giving you guys hope or anything like Euro USD, man. Come on to it. Come on, man. Come on. And USD chef, just give me my stop loss, man. Just give me my stop loss. If you are just trying this hard to give me my stop loss, just give it to me. And we have a stop loss being hit. There you go. Are we even looking at it? Are we looking at the 10th loss, guys? Are we looking at the 10th losing trade live? Are we looking at it? Could be the 10th losing trade all live. Streak is real, guys. Losing streak is real. Let's go, let's go. Losing streaks is real. If this is a loss, then I will obviously work a lot into my strategy, guys. If this BTC trade is a loss, I don't care about the USD share, CHF trade. That's basically a normal ICT concept trade. But if this is a loss, if BTC one is a loss, we are in deep trouble, guys. We are in deep, deep trouble. I'll just move it a little bit to the upside. We are in deep trouble, guys. If this gets hit, there is something so wrong with my strategy. There is something very wrong with my strategy. And this is a high probability trade, guys. To be very honest, this is a very high probability trade. Okay. Nice. I did want to see this swing because this will give us a market structure shift, to be honest, very further. I mean, we're not trying to catch the bottom, but still, it's a better thing to be buying low, right? So if this swing is being created, then it's good. If not, it's bad. What do you think, guys? Will we see the 10th losing streak pop out chat? Can I bring the chat? Okay. I don't think you guys can see this chat. I don't think you guys can see this chat. I have to look it up on my phone. Um, yeah. Oh, okay. What do I have to do? What I have to do is that you see this. Where is it? Restore chat. I have to pop this out. I have to copy this link and then put it on my OBS software. And then, oh my god, did I just leak out my link to my OBS? I should not have done that, right? Can you guys now put it in your OBS software and type on my chat? Oh my god, I'm so new to this, man. I should not be doing all this on stream. I should not be doing all this on stream, guys. Okay, give me a loss. USD CHF. Why are you not giving me a loss, man? I needed a loss on this. Come on, I need a loss on this. Let's go. And as usual, we are waiting for the 10th losing day of this account, which will bring our account to break even, guys. We are up 0.01% on this, but now we'll be at 0% profit or 0% loss. A huge, man, what do I say? My funded FX account has survived through a lot of things, guys. It has survived through a lot of things. If I just log in and just give me a moment, I have to just stop the display capture. And I just turned off my video capture. Why did I turn off my video capture? Yeah, display capture is turned off, so that's okay. Are we in? Are we in? I'll just log in. Yeah, and I'll bring it back up. There you go, guys. This is it, guys. This is it. Okay. Look at the stats, guys. Look at the stats. These are my statistics for this account. Why is it not loading? Okay, I told you guys my network is very low at the moment. Something is wrong with Geo, guys. Something is wrong with Geo. I have to log in again. I'm very sorry, guys. I'll just log in once again. My network is very slow, guys. My network is very slow. Alright, not today, I guess. Not today, I guess. Yeah. So finally, 1:1 has been achieved, guys. Shall I close my trade? It's been a long time since I've seen profits in this, actually. I wanted my trade to be closed right over here. I'll just close it, guys. I don't want to be seeing more of this. Okay, that's it. I'm fed up. I'm fed up, actually, of bearing a loss. So this has officially cut my losing streak, guys. That's it. The longest losing streak ever on this channel. Okay, there you go, guys. The longest losing streak I have ever seen. This is the longest losing streak I have ever seen. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A losing streak of 9, guys. Okay, and it's not like I just cut my trade because I had to cut it. uh, the basic fact of this strategy is 1:1 or 1:2. To be honest, it's 1:2. I aim for 1:2, but I just wanted to cut my losing streak, so I just did it at 1:1. But I usually, before I worked on this strategy and increased my the risk reward on this thing, I used to close my trades out at 1:1 itself. So this was one of those days. I mean, this trade must go. I would have closed the trade now. Okay, so we would have been like $2 up more. $2, yeah, 9.865, right? We closed it at 5.9 something. So we would have probably been like up $2 or something like that. $6, $7, yeah. So that is it. This trade can be closed, and this trade. So another winning streak. We are seeing black. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, guys. Now you can see, guys. Now you can see. I'm very sorry. I think I was speaking to myself then. Okay, so I just closed the trade on black screen. just show you guys my trade and then we'll stop. I'll stop this. I mean, there you go. This was my trade. I was on a 9-day losing streak and it ended finally today with a 1:1. And obviously I could have closed the trade right over here because my targets were actually these highs, but when I saw these highs, liquidity was taken out, so I was like, this could be a down trade again. But yeah, the $5 plus $2 most probably, so 1 is to 1.5 or something like that. So finally the 9-day losing streak is now over on this channel, and here we go. 1 is to 2 target achieved, guys, on stream, right? 1 is to 2 achieved on stream, and we have an open trade over here, and now it's visible. Yes, I was actually trying to log into my funded fx account, so that's why I did the black screen. Now it's back again. Okay, this could be a losing trade, guys. This could be a losing trade again. What is happening is the thing I did not want to have, did not want it to do, it's doing the same thing. It's following the in there you go. This is the fair value gap I don't want the market to follow. I don't want the market to follow this fair value gap, but the closing is above 50%, I think. If I just go over to my, so there you go. This was a trade, beautiful, beautiful trade, right over here. This was a very high probability trade. I wanted everyone to take this trade. This was a 1 is to 2, guys, clearly, yeah. This was a 1 is to 1.7 and then 1 is to 2. There you go. 1 is to 2.26 achieved. So beautiful trade, one trade done on stream. This trade could be a losing trade. We are still waiting forward to the Euro USD trade. And if I just show you guys, yesterday I did tell you guys what the market is going to do, but I did not unfortunately take the trade because it could have been over trading for me. But yesterday the market was somewhere. Okay, let me just bring that back. Yeah. Yesterday, if you see the stream, right over here, the market was right over here, okay, before this blue line, and I was like, I'm not comfortable enough to take the trade over here. I wanted the London session to open, and the London session opened way down, okay. 3 a.m. is the London session open. So after that I told you guys on stream that I wanted to see something like this, and this is what beautifully the market presented, right? I was not, and this did give us an entry, guys. The market structure was broken right over here, and our fair value gap was made right over here, if you can see. Yeah, there you go. We did get an entry right at the side. These candles, oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, these candles, the SL was 5 pips and the target was all the way down, all the way down to the, actually no, I would have taken out there. Yeah, so 2.37. I had the target set in previously low where the targets actually. That is it. Today we are waiting for the same thing, but on the buy side, guys. We are waiting on the same thing. All right, this is something we are waiting for. This. I'm sorry. We got this and this. This is something I'm waiting for. A head and shoulders, you can see. I told you guys this fair value gap should not be respected. If this gets respected, it's a losing trade, and clearly you can see this fair value gap is being respected. So not a good thing. We This account is on break even. No. This account is down 2%. This account is the only account which is down 2%. Plus, I have another very, very long trade running, guys. Let's see that trade. I mean, I did not look at it since a long time. I think it's on this. Yep. We are running a loss. We were running at 20, 30, $40 profit, man. And now we're running at loss. Okay. I mean, this was a beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. It was running at around $20 in profit, but obviously my top profit targets were way too high. My profit targets were 100 or something, so that's why I could not close the trade. So it's okay, never mind. I'm risking around $44 on this trade. That is 1% of my account, and this account is at break even. If I just show you guys, there you go, 4997. This account is at a $5,000 account. This is a $5,000 account, and it's at break even at the moment. So yesterday we were very close to being stopped out on this account. We were this close, 0.03%. These were my two entries. You can see we were this close to being stopped out, but then market reversed from here, gave us the ultimate high maybe of our trade, and then it came down again. So we are waiting forward. This trade takes time. I don't care. This trade will take time. Okay, maybe 5-6 days, or if I get a stop loss, it will be in 2 or 3 days. Let me open my main account. MSL. Oh my god. Again, just hit the SL, dude. Just hit the RSL and up. Beautiful, guys. We are getting a beautiful. We will be getting a beautiful trade on Euro USD. Looking forward for the Euro USD, man. Let's change the colors. Very beautiful. Okay, and what is up, guys? Tutorial. How are you doing? How are you doing? I'll read my chats on my phone. One second. It's 2:15 p.m. Beautiful. This is what I wanted, guys. Hey, USD chef, USD CHF, and Euro USD are like a negative correlation or what? Because this goes down, this is going up, and I'm looking for a buy side trade over here, and obviously this trade is giving me a sell side trade. This is going down, this is really going up. Okay, this may be a relation. This may be a relation. It's lower low, it's lower low. This is weaker according to me. So this should go down, this should go up. Again, it's all right. I didn't want it to follow this, and plus it's even creating a fair value gap on its own. Okay, this is 100% loss, man. This is 100% losing trade because this high will be broken by this. It should be broken, right? If I just exit the trade, I'll be at loss of $11. It's the same thing, guys. It's 100% losing trade now. It's 100% losing trade. 100% losing trade, yeah. 100%. One second, guys. I'll be right back. Yeah, and here we are. Back again. Oh my god. This should be a loss, man. This should be a loss. Because this is a very, very valid setup to go long, okay? A very valid setup to go long. This high should have been broken out by this candle. Now, let's see if there's still 1 minute left for this candle to close. If a fair value gap is formed, then it's dead for us. A 99.9% chance of losing. 0.1%. The markets are very supreme, guys. We can't say anything for that. That's it. All right. We got a good profitable trade. And let's look at BTC. Oh my god. Look at the precision of our entry, guys. We had our entry where? Right over here. This smallest of smallest fair value gap. This this was our entry, guys. And look at how beautifully we got our entries. And that's the power, I think, I would say. If I was not in a losing trade, if I were not be in a losing streak, I would have just held this trade for 1:3 or something like that, and this would have been hit. But no worries, we are waiting for the Euro USD trade, waiting for this market structure to be broken. Once this market structure gets broken up, and we can just go forward and enter a sell over here, a buy over here. Wonderful trade, guys. Wonderful trade. Now I wanted to go up because both previous day lows have been taken out. These are the previous day lows, guys. And it's London. London kill zone work perfectly. London session open work perfectly. Everything is valid. Volume is very, very valid. If I just show you the 1 hour chart, um, 1 second, guys. This is the 1 hour chart, right? So volume, we have the buy side liquidity to target. The volume is very much in favor. If I just open the volume profile for you, this is, there you go, midnight open. Exactly at the midnight open we have a lot of volume. This could be a very, very beautiful trade, guys. We may get it in a very short span of time. We're just waiting for this smallest. Okay, so I did tell you guys what I was thinking. I was thinking something like this. Since a long time, since the start of the stream, I wanted this. Okay, this is the clear thing we are aiming for. So this market structure has to be broken. Why did I mark this SSL? This should be MSS. There you go. All right, waiting for it. Waiting for it. That's it, guys. We have 3 viewers. What's up? I hope you guys are doing good. This goes down, this goes up. Okay, we'll just wait for now. This is basically, then again, it's just following this fair value gap. You see how beautifully it entered into that fair value gap. Now this candle could take out this high. Very positive. Okay, we were up like $16 on this trade, but that was like break even for me. I mean, 1:1. I don't want to exit at 1:1 on this trade because this is the trade I'm aiming for, like 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. So basically no exit on this trade. If it's a loss, it's a loss. No worries. Our account will be at almost break even. So let's see. Let's look at the GBP JPY trade. Let's look at the GBP JPY trade. All right, it's going down, down, down. I didn't want this to go down, man. We must be running at a good loss at the moment. If I just, there you go, guys. We are running at a good loss. $20 more and my stop loss will be taken out. We were up like $40 on this trade, man. Actually, we were up $40 on this trade, but now it's like $20 in loss. No worries. We will hold this trade over the weekend. My longest trade was 11 days, guys. 11 days on a funded account. I don't actually care about my days, so it's something. So USD Chef. Oh my god, did I just log into the same account? Yep. This is my other 5K account. We are running at a profit. Nice. Did not expect this at all. Did not expect this at all. It's a waiting game, guys. It's a waiting game for now. If this respects this fair value gap, I'll be pissed, man. I'll be pissed. Let me just. We were so close for ISL to be hit. Again, we are at almost 1:1. Almost 1:1. I'm risking $13 on this. 13.5, that is almost $15. $14. So if this is 14, then it's 1:1. But our targets are nowhere near 1:1, guys. I want this to be our first target or somewhere, because 1:2, yeah. I think it's 1:2. If I just go over to USD Chef, where is it? USD Chef. Go right. So all this is liquidity, but liquidity in a bad way, guys, to be honest. These are all intermediate term highs and intermediate term lows. So obviously, it's a bad thing. We could just, if you want, we could just exit a few positions over here. If I just mark out my entry and exit on the chart, This is our stop loss. 3 pip stop loss, guys. And a 10 pip target, or how much? 8.8 pip target. So this is like 2.67 risk reward, right? Let's see if this will work out. I have very less chance on this because of the, again, see how beautifully it's respecting that fair value gap. You see how beautifully this respected the fair value gap. Even though it has been tested like 3 times, it's still following that fair value gap. That is why fair value gaps are so powerful, so powerful. And I just opened my account on Kotak Securities. I've not yet received my credentials. We'll be trading in a zero brokerage form because I only trade with a 1 or 2 lots, to be honest. 2 lots maximum. So I need zero brokerage for accounts, like it's a required thing, man. Because the brokerage is eating me up. I go for a 1:1 risk reward or something like that in my account. So in my Indian market account, so again, it's very difficult for me. I've not yet received my. I have withdrawn all my funds from Dhan, but not yet received it on my account. I requested for the funds on in the morning. Yeah, in the morning. So yeah, I'll give them 1 or 2 days. 1 day maximum. Grow used to send me the money in 1 day. And my stomach is starting to ache. I need some food, man. Now this candle has some power, okay? Last time, what 5 candles did? You can see, right? This fair value gap: one, two, three, four, five, six. 6 candles, one target, okay? 2 candles gave us the same target. Now one candle is giving us the same target. No, this was 3 candles which gave us the same target, and this could be one candle which would take out our SL. Could happen, guys. Could happen. There's a very high chance for it to happen. I need some food. I wish I would have cooks. Okay. Why is it taking so long to give a market structure shift, man? Just give it. Let's look at. Oh my god, I can't open a third screen. Trading View Premium. I don't have Trading View Premium. E-mini S&P. Okay, let's look at Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures. What is this even doing, man? This has given us an entry, okay? This has given us an entry to go long, but obviously I don't trade it, so I won't look into it. But ICT trades only and only Nasdaq E-mini. I mean Nasdaq and S&P 500. He trades only these pairs. So yeah, he's ICT after all, man. Can't say anything to him. ICT, the man himself. What's going on in this call? Oh my god. कोई कर नहीं रहा है क्या आजकल क्रिप्ट मीन these are pivot points, right? These are pivot adding quantity in every. This year BTC will touch 100k. Okay. फहाद भाई बात ही मत करो आप तो भाई. No more funded trade. हाँ इनका ना आता था. Like funded trader. What happened to that? What happened to gold? I forgot. I used to trade gold so much, man. In between. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. It's been yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yesterday I took a profit on gold, man. I'm very sorry. I forgot. How did I even forget, man? Yesterday I took a. I'll just show it to you guys. Control M XAU USD, right? Yesterday I sold on an order block, guys. If I just go to the 15-minute chart, there you go. This was yesterday, guys. Oh my god. You see this? This was my trade, and we made like $20 on this trade. History, there you go. You see, XAUSD sell. This was the sell. We could have held it, and we would have been in a lot of profits. But it's okay, no problem. I didn't show this trade. I didn't give this trade out. I never said this. I never even said this on stream. I didn't use that account on stream. Actually, that account is personally for a different strategy again. All right, we are running at loss. कितना texting कर रहा भाई. वही मैंने जैसे बोला ना आप लोग को कि उनका फंडेड ट्रेडर लिखा रहता था ना. नाउ अभी नहीं लिख रहा है. ये छोड़ दिया, नहीं लिख रहा. कौन इतना टेक्स्ट कर रहा है डूड? वेयर द हेल इतने टेक्स्ट कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं? एक तो मेरे को डिस्कॉर्ड का समझ में नहीं आता. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड डिस्कॉर्ड मैन. कहीं कहीं ना कहीं साउंड आते रहता है भाई. No one is texting, man. No one is texting. See, I'll just see. Why do I get this sound? Does anyone know? Do you know guys tutorial? Why do I get that Discord sound? Ding, ding. Your voice is low. Oh my god. You said it should be low. That's why I did make it low, man. 1 second. I'll just, yeah. Now you can hear me properly. I think now you should hear me properly. Again, don't, I mean, it could be loud for you. Turn on do not disturb on Discord. Remember, we analyze screen spark, man. It's up. Really? Oh my god. Congrats, by the way. Let's just look at clean spark again. Clean spark, right? Ho ho. Yeah, I remember we did analyze this on stream. 1 second. What analysis did I? Okay. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay. I'll just look into Malaysian enough or no. 1 second. What is this? Yep. Nice. I mean, a beautiful place. There you go. A beautiful rejection off of that. This is the maliciousness in our concept. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Looking at it from the monthly time frame, beautiful, man. How do you find stocks like these, man? And do you use IND money to invest, like on in US stocks? Clearly, very, very good area, man. Profit booking will take place over here. Certainly, this is a week, this is a monthly, uh, you know, SNR level. So obviously, there would be some kind of retracement coming down for now, but then it's all the way up. There is no good fresh level, to be honest. If you look at the line chart, no good fresh level. Mhm. Like this area, clearly we saw this was a fresh level, and there you go, we saw a good retracement. This could be a good retracement to the downside, but if you're here, if you have it for the long term, just hold it. Holding is the key, man. Holding is key. This could be a very good level to hold. $46, perfect, beautiful area. I use IND money, it's the best Bitcoin miner. Oh, I see. Like, okay, I see, it's a Bitcoin mining company. Please. Okay, it's listed on the Nasdaq. What does it do? Bitcoin mining technology company. Oh, so Bitcoin prices go up. This goes up. Okay. Now I get it. Okay. Yes. Perfect. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Why is IND money not banned by the government? Like, I don't understand. If like if the government really wants us to not do any forex trading or forex anything like that, why does it not ban this? Why did it not ban, what do you say, IND money? How do you find this exactly? And how did you find this stock? Did you just use a screener or something like that? This may be it. And 2026, I think Bitcoin is going to come down. I mean, I've heard people saying 2026 Bitcoin is going to crash. But if people are saying it could just go to the moon, 100,000. Okay, what the hell? What the hell, man? How do I just mute it? How do I mute it? User settings? It was never like this. Why? I want to know why is it like this? I'm receiving no messages, nothing, and still there's tit- no messages, but still no texts. What happens with this? Hey. Okay. Why would this happen? Okay, I see. Um, it's nice, man. It's nice. Investing is always the best stuff. Like, nice. Closing stream. नशे में हो गया मैं actually. No, how do I turn on do not disturb? Like, I'm not able to understand. It's profiles, my account. It's irritating. It's irritating. Notifications. Hmm. Never delete. Disable all sounds. Is it good? I think disable all notification sounds. This is okay. Now we won't be having any more. Ding, ding, ding. Oh my god. Why? Why would it just take my SL and come? Like I'll focus on this, man. I'll focus on the Euro USD trade. Euro USD is again doing things which I don't want it to do. Creating a lower low further. Waiting for a market structure shift. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh, I should have held my Bitcoin trade, man. Why did I close it so quick? Crazy, man. Crazy. Oh, 3 p.m. Oh my god. If I would have held it, I mean, I should have actually held it because this was in a very uptrend. And if I would have held it, let's see how much I would have made. I would have made like, where was my entry? I don't even remember my entry. There you go. This was my entry and this was my stop loss. Okay. That's 1:8 risk reward, right? Still, I would have, I mean, I would have put my trading stop loss to be here. Very honest, I'll put my trading stop. That was a 1 is to 5. Easy, 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 6 maybe. Okay, this was a trade missed again. Oof. It's 3 p.m. guys. 3 p.m. I don't stream this much. I don't stream this much. I've streamed for 1 hour and 18 minutes. 1 hour and 18 minutes. Oh. It's never ever good to be a part of consolidation. Okay, so yesterday was a profit, right? Profit on XAUUSD. It was a 1 is to 1 RR to be honest. I risked 20, I made 20. How much did I make by the way? I forgot. I have to put it into my journal actually. So it was in 3141. Nope, not on this. It was in the 9 account. It was on this. So history, we made $24 on this, right? So 24. Okay, so I don't have any lessons now. Let me put in today as we are streaming because I'm bored. I can't leave the place because Euro USD is very close in giving us an entry. So we'll just wait for a few more minutes and then we'll close the stream. Alright, so today is 28th, right? 28th. Last second day of the year. I mean of the month. I'm very sorry. Before this. Just take my stop loss, dude. You'll be happy. Market's happy, me happy. Trade one, and trade is still running, right? So I don't actually, I don't journal a running trade. Hmm. It's on what? USD chef? What? फहद भाई कुछ बोले तो नहीं ना? या ओके. फहद भाई बहुत हेल्प किया मेरे को. He has helped me a lot. Fahad Bing X has helped me a lot. He taught me about coin lies and stuff. If I just show you, ALY is it? Yeah. He taught me about these, how to look into it and stuff. CFD created open interest now. I have to put in, what was I gonna do? Yeah, indicators, right? Yeah. Open interest, one should be open interest. Created open interest capitalization. One should be open interest, and the other should be cumulative CFD. I think CFD. No, I forgot the name. Cumulative. Nope. I forgot the name. I forgot the name. I did forget the name. Okay. I think it should be in my chat with Fahad, right? इनसे कॉल पे बात हुआ था यार मेरा, तभी इन्होंने कुछ बताया. This is my chart. This is the trader's reality main wala cheez. I'll show you an indicator. It's a crazy indicator. It's a crazy indicator. Okay. I can't show it to you over here. I'll just show it to you over here. This does work for a lot of people. I've never used it personally, and it works for BTC very, very well. If I just show it to you, the name is Trader's Main Reality. Trader's Reality Main. Look at the chart, okay? Be ready. And it's loading. It's a very big indicator. It's loading, and look at the charts. All of a sudden, the charts will be transformed. What is Euro USD up to, man? What is it up to? Am I trying to catch the bottom? It's not like I'm trying to catch the bottom, but there you go, guys. CFD. This is the trader's reality main indicator based on a lot of indicators. Actually, it has the, you know, I mean, you can just I'll show it to you guys. This indicator is crazy. A lot of people use it. And style, it's like all the EMAs, all the Bollinger Bands and stuff. Yesterday's high low, last week's high low, a lot of things. Okay, so I don't basically, it's a lot of learning again. ICT पहले खत्म हो जाए यार. After that we'll go into this. यूरो यूएसडी ऐसे डाउन ट्रेंड पकड़ लेगा तो कैसे होगा? Not a good thing, euro USD. Okay, let's just skip it, guys. I think I'll just not put in a trade. Even if I do, I mean, I have given all the things which I will do, right? So CHF news is at 4 a.m. What is the time now? If my network, CHF has news, and we have an open trade in CHF. That's good. Oh, okay, it's already 4 a.m. 4 a.m. is done, and the news has been done. Okay, so basically nothing. It was a yellow folder news, right? Yellow folder news. Yellow folder news. That is it, guys. I hope. I mean, you enjoyed. I will close the stream. I'm very hungry. I have to get some food in me. My stomach is aching, man. Aching. All right. Bye bye, and have a good day, man. Girls tutorial. Thank you for joining in, and that's it. I'll just see my last open trade on GBP GPY, and then I'll close it. I want to see the loss. Okay, it's at a good loss. Yeah, it was a beautiful setup, guys. GBP JPY setup was beautiful. Don't talk about fish, man. It's been almost years. It's been almost 1 or 2 years since I've had fish, and now I'm jealous. How does kingfish look? I have very small knowledge or a little knowledge on fish. Like I I just know that pomfret and something is very good and stuff, but I don't like the taste. I did try it a lot of times. Kingfish. Oh, okay, okay, okay. मत दिखाओ मेरे को. I'll be. I so want to make fish, man. I'll bring some fish. I actually want someone to go and get fish. I don't like taking chicken alone. I don't like buying chicken alone. I don't like buying any non-veg item alone. I just want someone with me. So I'll take my friends, and I'm making fish on what, Sunday? Yeah, I'll make it on Sunday. Let's go. Let's go. Bye bye and have a good day. I will obviously trade this, guys. If this comes down, what comes down has to go up. This is my idea. Okay. Bye bye and have a good day. Bye bye, guys. Tutorial.